Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with email automation using Mailchimp. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your marketing, this guide will help you set up your first automation in a few easy steps. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. On the home page, you'll see a variety of options, but today we're focusing on automations. Navigate to the automation section where Mailchimp provides tools for various campaigns, like welcome emails. Click Build from Scratch, then Create a Flow. Tap Choose a Trigger, and select Sign Up for Email under the Welcome New Signups category. This sets the stage for welcoming new members to your community. Next, set your trigger timing. You can choose to send the email immediately when someone joins or add a delay, like 1 hour. Select Send Email and give it a catchy name. Mailchimp offers a wide variety of design options, so feel free to customize the content to make it engaging. Once you're satisfied, enter Preview mode. Check the layout and graphics to ensure they display correctly across all devices. I also recommend sending a test email to verify how it looks on both desktop and mobile. Finally, once everything looks perfect, click Turn On to activate your automation. Note that you will need to choose a plan to go live. And that's it! That is how you set up email automation in Mailchimp.